sorry, we have fairly easy chords, and there's a pattern to it. It always goes E minor D A A, E minor D A D, A minor G C D D, C D A. That's how the whole pattern goes, and you strum it 2 times each. So if I were to play through that phrase, it would sound like this: E minor, D, A, and again A, E minor, D, A, D, A minor, G, C, D, and then C, C, D, D, hold. Now, there's a million ways that you can do the rhythm on this song, but for our sake, I think we're just going to play them straight down strums without adding any rhythmic bounce to it, because you could play it at a, but we're not going to do that. We're actually going to just play the straight up chords down strummed, and then later you might want to add your own sort of flavor to it. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to play the phrase at the beginning as an intro, and then see how we do with the pronunciations. Now, at the end of every phrase is the phrase "Isko jet to momoren slan." All right, and that means kind of like "I go with you." All right. Now, the chorus is also in Gaelic, but notice I have the English version underneath. Siúil, siúil, siúil a Rúin means come, 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 love, come to me. Siúil go succor ach siúil go cún means come to the door and away we'll flee. Siúil go doris agus élig lum means safe or I may my darling be. All right, so we'll give it a good shot on that, and it's okay if you get tongue-tied because, you know, there's no way to try a new language until you stumble through it. That's kind of how I worked with Spanish when I was in Dominican. I just kept saying stuff until I got corrected properly. Anyway, let's try Siúil a Rúin, 2 strums each chord. 1, 2, just the intro. I wish I was on yonder hill. It's there I'd sit and cry my fill, till every tear would turn the mill. Isko jet to bomo in slan. I wish I sat on my true love's knee. Many a fond story told to me. He told me things that ne'er shall be. Isko jet to momor in slan 2, 3. Oh, siúil, 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 siúil a Rúin. Siúil go succor ach siúil go cún. Siúil go doris agus élig liom. Isko jet to momor in slan. Now the English one. Come, 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 love, come to me. Come to the door and away we'll flee. And safe for I may my darling be. Isko jet to momor in slan 2, 3. hair was black, his eye was blue, his arm was strong, his word was true. I wish in my heart I was with you. Iscoge tu morin slan. I'll sell my rock, I'll sell my reel, I'll sell my only spinning wheel to buy my love a sword of steel. Iscoge tu morins lan, 2, 3, 4. Oh, shul, 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 shul harun. Shul go soccer akish, shul go kun. Shul go doris akaseli liam. Iscoge tu morins lan. I'll dye my petticoat, I'll dye it red. Round the world I'll beg my bread, till I find my love alive or dead. Iscoge tu morins lan, 2, 3, 4. Come, 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 love, come to me. Come to the door and away we'll flee, and say, for I may my darling be. Iscoge tu morins lan. So, a very haunting and sort of ancient song is Rúin. And I really hope you enjoyed playing that one as much as I did. Thumbs up if you heard everything okay, if it's coming through okay. That one's really fun to play like late at night when everyone's in bed. You know, you can kind of just strum through it and get your mind settled for the day. And I find that whenever we play it in the band, it's like this sort of eye of the storm. You know, we play a lot of really rapid tempo songs, and then when we pop that one in there, all of a sudden everything slows down for a minute. I know